This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a dishwasher that drains out the air vent and drains onto the sink, as we can see in this video. So we set it for drain, and instead of it going down to the lower sink, it's coming out of the air vent. So I'm going to pop the top off the air vent using a standard head screwdriver to get the little plastic tabs out of the way. And this one has a little fish bone caught in it, pretty classic. So we're going to use some needle nose pliers to get that out of there. But that would be actually something preventing it from draining. When it shoots out onto the counter, it means that the black tube that goes to the disposer has a clog. So I'm going to push a little snake down in, not to the center tube, but the outside tube, the black tube that goes to the disposer, to see if I can get rid of the clog. And this often will cure the problem. In this instance, the clog is not near the top, near the air vent, but it's actually down near the garbage disposer itself. So we're going to cure it a slightly different way. So it's not up here at the air vent, but it's down lower beneath the sink. And what I'll do, just show you with this black tube. This is the one that's going from the air gap down to the disposer. This one has a little bit of a crimp in it, which is not ideal. It's where the tube gets too narrow, so things get caught. And what I found with this machine is that right at the garbage disposer, right where the water shoots from this tube into the disposer, there is a leak. So make sure you unplug the garbage disposer first. And then I reached in and I could feel the little hole, and there was some junk caught in there. So I just got it out with my finger. And then I used my snake to get out a little bit more of the crud. So I pushed it in at a right angle. In this case, it was to my right, and got out the food particles that were stuck there. And that was keeping it from draining. That's why it was draining out the air gap. So once I got that stuff out, then it was able to drain properly. So these are some things you can try when you have that weird problem where water shoots out of the air gap. So I'm going to set it for drain just to make sure it's working. But it was a big chunk of food got caught in there. So I got some water in there first. And then, yeah, nothing coming out the air gap, which is good. And it is, we can see it coming out here at the garbage disposer, which is correct. So we cured it pretty easy. It'll only take you a couple of minutes. And we got rid of that problem shooting out at the air gap. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thank you.